Video delayed elements in WordPress. Let's get started. In order to achieve this, we will need to use Video.js, which is a HTML5 player framework. And the first things first will be to load the library into Elementor. So first of all, I'm going to Elementor custom code, and then I'm going to cdn.js. I will leave the link in the description below, and here I will copy the script tag and I'm going to add a new code. I will be loading it in head. I'm going to load it on the entire website, but you can choose from here to load it on certain parts of the website. I'll save and close, and then I'm going back and I'm going to add the CSS, but be careful, we'll need to add it into body at the end of the body. So from here I'm going to copy the CSS script and I'm going to load it on the entire website as well and hit publish. The next step will be to add the element, the HTML element of the video, the actual video. I have here an title and an HTML element from Elementor. You can add it from here if you want. HTML, drag it, but I've already set it up to have some borders, some padding, a width of 80%, and here I will add the video content. I will leave the code in the description, or if you want more information you can go here on Video.js and get the video content from here as well. So I have the video content. Here is a dummy video I got from Pexels. I'll hit save, and now as you can see the video is working as expected. I will be adding a bit of CSS, not sure if I already have it here. Yes, the video will look like this if the CSS is not added. Actually is the play button centered, and then some border radius to match the gradient border we have, and then the height to 100% and another border radius. Then I'll hit save. The next thing we have to do is to add the actual element we would like to display. I'm going to add a container below the video, set its width to 70%, let's say, then copy this heading and make it h3. Let's keep it full to h3. For now I'm adjusting it to fit the content. Join now. And next I'm going to add the form. I have a global form already set up. I'll unlink it to be able to edit. Now I think the form is a bit too wide, so I'll reduce the size of the container. Okay. 47 looks pretty nice. Join now, and then I'm going to give it a class. Let's say drop element for the class, and then I'm going to set its responsive to be display none from here on all the devices. And now we have the element and it's hidden on the page. The next thing will be to add the script, the JavaScript, here in the HTML element. I'm going to paste the JavaScript. You'll find the link in the description below where you can find this piece of code. The JavaScript is placed and we have the trigger time, which is 5 seconds. Let's see how it works. The JavaScript already has this class. You can change it if you want, but keep in mind that you have to change the class of this container or the class of the element you want to display on the video. I'm going to hit the demo and wait 5 seconds. So after 5 seconds the element fades in and looks pretty nice. Another thing that is written in the code is that it stores a value in your browser, so after you watch the video once, it will keep in mind that you watched it, and the form will be displayed even after refresh, so you don't need to watch it again and wait for form and so on. So let's try it in incognito. Here is the video. As you can see, the form is not visible on the page, but after 5 seconds of playing the video it will drop as is supposed to drop, and then after a refresh the browser will keep that log so we can view the form, which is quite useful if you already watched the video. Another thing I want to show you is how to enable and disable this bar, because by default in the script I've provided the bar is disabled because you want them to watch the video so the form can drop, so you don't want them to skip till the end of the video. But if you want to disable this, let's go back to our page and check the script. As you can see, here is a line of code in JavaScript, so I will comment it disable progress bar. So if you remove this line and hit save, you'll see that you can actually move it forward and backwards. That's pretty much it. If you like this video, please hit the like button and leave a comment below. Thank you very much and see you soon.